Okay, we're going to show you how to load the media onto your TrueVis printer. So from the front of the machine you can see what is called the pincher rollers. They keep a grip on the media. Now there's two different types. There is a smaller pincher roller and a larger pincher roller. As you can see the difference here, one is narrower than the other one and the other ones are quite large. As you can see, there are blue stickers on the printer to show you where the pinch rollers need to be effective. So those correlate to the grit rollers that are underneath, well, will be underneath the media when you load it. So if we move on to the side and clamp the media handle down, you will see that large pinch roller is not engaged because it's not on the blue area. The ones that are on the blue area are engaged and are moving down when you move the handle up and down. So if we were to move it back in the blue area above the grit rollers and bring the clamp handle down, now you will see it's engaged again as it should be. These are the edge guards or the media guides. So those need to go over the edges of your media when you load it to potentially stop the media from riding up during printing and the printhead carriage crashing into them, which we don't want. From the rear of the machine you can see these triangular markings. Those tell you where those blue areas are at the front of the machine, just so you don't have to run from the front to the back of the machine when loading to see if you've got your pincher rollers in the correct positions. Now the end two pincher rollers have got little white stickers on them where the middle larger pincher rollers don't, just so you know what's what. So these are the media holders. It's got a quick release handle. They are for gripping the roll, so we're going to pop our roll on the back. These are flared outwards to keep a grip on the media. And then we're just going to lock them with the quick release media clamp handles. So we're going to take our tape off the media and we're going to thread it over the back heater. Make sure that we're within those markings. And we're going to put it into the machine. Now we're just getting the positioning right here just to make sure that we're evenly spaced across all the pincher rollers. And we're going to thread the media into the machine. And lock it in place with the clamp handle. Now we're going to come round to the front of the machine. This is a media sensor. The media must cover that for the machine to recognise that it's in there. So we're going to lift it, we're going to hold it with one hand in the middle so we're not skewing the media as we pull it through. Quite important. And we're going to pull it from the middle past the media sensor with the one hand. Now we need to make sure that our end pincher rollers are within the blue marks but as close to the edges of the media as possible, because that's how it tells the media size, from end pincher roller to end pincher roller. So we want to maximise that printing space. We're going to put our edge guards over the edges, make sure our middle pincher rollers are all in the correct areas, and we're going to clamp the handle down.